Alden Richards and John Lloyd Cruz? Do you agree that Pambansang Bay and hottest celebrity endorser at the moment, Alden Richards, can pass himself off as the long-lost brother of dramatic actor John Lloyd Cruz?
Yan ang magkamukha. Merong similarities. They're both magaling na actors. In terms of, kahit saan mo sila, very gifted, no? In terms of being in front of the camera. Of course, the boyish, good looks.
Meron sila sa mata na something na parang nangungusaw. Tagal na, parang pag napatingin ka sa eyes ni John Lloyd, sa eyes si Alden, tapos sinasabi sa'yo. Like ngayon, pinapakita niya sa akin ng picture. At least the person, parang tumulong. Feeling ko tinitignan nila ako. Tapos, parang silang may dimples, right?
Now, some people say Alden and Lloydie, they look so alike that Alden has been called the poor man's John Lloyd Cruz. Do you agree or disagree? Let us know on our Facebook and Instagram page.
Alden Richards is the poor man's John Lloyd. I agree.
What are some of the similarities of the two?
Pareho silang makulit, no? Off-cam. Pareho silang masaya. At the same time, alam nila how to translate yung boyish charm nila sa camera.
Ang hairline nila, syempre pag kasama na ang hairline, talaga naman sila hindi makapal ang buhok. Hindi naman sila long hair.
Yung hindi man super macho-macho, pero basta may tambo yung piscina na parang ang sarap ipin.
Are there any advantages or disadvantages of this uncanny resemblance?
Pareho naman silang nasa peak eh. John Lloyd has already reached his peak. And then Alden is currently there. Parang wala namang kinalaman yung pagiging magkamukha nila kung mako-compare man sila. Well, at least, di ba, alam natin na pareho silang bankable na leading man, pareho silang gwapo, pareho silang may ibubuga talaga sa acting. So parang hindi naman nila kailangan yung isa't isa.